Come on along. What are you boys bringing me? Hey!
What?
That's a nice little machine, huh? That's a pretty nice seat. You got your seatbelt on?
Huh?
You got your seatbelt on?
There's not even a seat in here.
I know. Oh. I think I should have one like that. I should have one like that. That's pretty nice. So you got the... It ain't as big as Excavators, but it'll do, right? Right, Snuffy?
Yeah.
This is our little rinky-dink operation. Old school. This ain't as good as the Mr. Anderson, but I'm gonna put a French drain in here for my son while he's helping. Cause look what's underneath the concrete. Water, water everywhere. So we're stripping the top dirt right now. Of course, we've had 10 inches of rain in the last 3 weeks or better. Doesn't help that this place is built in the lowland. And the ditch is actually a stream, according to the geologists, but yeah, a little bit of a water problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, you can see, we just found another pipe. And somebody had done this before, but they didn't do it properly, or that was the technology at the time. There's pea stone and PVC down there. So we're trying to get, I'm going to run 2 4-inch pipes in 1.25 inches wrapped like the French drain man on TV, on YouTube. Yeah, watch him, he's pretty informative. But, so we rented a little mini. Went and got it this morning. Gonna get all that sod out of there. I made it yesterday with the tractor backhoe so that it would go away. This was just full. And no, I don't have my silt fence on the end because I left a bunch of grass there to do the filtering for me. But there's a culvert right there. So I need 18 inches of drop from here to there. I think I calculated it. Somebody on YouTube taught me how to do that too. I need 3% pitch for this is the best, optimum. So the bottom of the ditch is about 2 feet from here. So we're going to start at 8 inches. We're going to end up 8 inches from the cement and down 24 inches over there. So that should give us 2 to 3% grade. Slope. So anyways, my dad was here helping, but he's tired. He took a run already this morning with his low boy and hauled a off-road truck, and so he showed my son how to run the tractor so he can load the dump truck. We can go take the black dirt over to our place and let it dry out for a year. And then we'll come back in and we'll skim all this clay out of here and make our trench. So water, water, water. Fish like water. About it. Alright, I'll see what happens. This is the first kind of video for me. I should hold that away from me for longer periods of time. This thing is kind of nice. 304E 2. So we'll see what happens. I'm used to running the big stuff when my dad had it. Not this little stuff, but it's same stuff pretty much. Alright, see you in a bit.
Pop her off, big nuts.